Can I turn this railroad spike into a knife in under 30 minutes? The rules are just simple. It needs to look like a knife, have an edge, and cut. That's basically it. Now I'm already 5 minutes in, losing time quickly. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. We're already halfway done. Two minutes. I don't have time to angle the camera. 20 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. It looks like a knife, but does it cut? And it cuts. Is it perfect? No, by no means is it perfect, but it's a knife in under 30 minutes, and that was the rules.